Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal, and in this video, we are going to create an AI powered party planner app using Langflow version 1.5 and JigSawStack for image generation. Before I explain how I built the flow, let's test it in Streamlit app because it's take a little time to generate the output. For this, let's test connection with our Langflow. You can see here. So I see you. I use the same API key. Here you can see this one and our app API key is same. Okay. So let's run our app. I choose a birthday. You can choose also budget and style and the guest type and click on generate. So while this running, let me walk you through how I set everything up. I started by taking three input. One is event type, budget and style. You can see here I choose four input, but this is I created in my Streamlit tab. Okay, you can choose this one also or not. It's up to us. So these inputs are sent to our prompt, which combine them and passes the information to four different Ollama Mistral model. So one to suggest a theme, okay, one for decoration, one for activities, and one for the menu. So these four input we goes to our model, and once we get the response from all model, we combine them into one single input and send to our custom component. So, so this component I called a party planner. I create this component with the help of using inside Ollama model and Jigsaw stack for image generation. So here you can see there are two model custom component. So one for is text and other one is for image generation. For image generation you can also search here image generation. So you can see here is one component also is image generation. You can connect this component with an agent. This is you can use for image generation and it's provide a free. So that's all. So this both model response goes into our prompt. So I combine this model and so in the output our app is still running. Okay, you can see here. Let's walk through some jigsaw stack. So this is a jigsaw stack. This is our many purpose. You can read the document here. I choose this is for an image generation. You can also see here is my log. I generate many images with the help of this with without any cost. Let's check our app is still running or not. Let's wait some time. It takes some time because of I using a free Ollama version and run on locally. So if you use an API model, so it's give output fast comparison to local model. Now our output is successfully generated. Here we can see it's a beautiful generated our plan based on our input. Here you can see provide theme, decoration, activities, menu, and also a image generation with the help of JigSawStack. You can also download this plan. That's how you can generate a party planner